In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit employee letter in Zoho People. Employee letters in Zoho People are the templates your organization uses to generate documents like offer letters, experience letters, and other standard employee communications. When a policy changes, branding is updated, or you simply spot a typo, you will want to edit the template so every new letter generated uses the correct wording and formatting. I will walk you through where to find these templates and how to update them safely. Start by signing into your Zoho People account and looking at the left sidebar. From there, click Organization. This is where Zoho People keeps many of the settings and administrative tools that affect the whole company, including letter templates. Once you are in the Organization area, move to the top menu and select Employee Letter. In some accounts, this section may also appear as templates, depending on how your navigation is labeled. The goal is the same. You want the place where letter templates are listed and managed. You should now see a list of available letter templates, such as an offer letter or an experience letter. Find the specific template you want to update. Next to each template, look for the Edit option, usually shown as a small pencil icon. Click that pencil icon for the template you want to change. This opens the template editor. Inside the editor, you can modify the text of the letter, adjust placeholders, and update formatting. Placeholders are the fields that automatically pull in employee data when the letter is generated, such as names, job titles, dates, or department details. When you edit placeholders, be careful to keep them accurate, since removing or changing one can affect how information appears later. For formatting, keep an eye on spacing, headings, and alignment, so the final document stays clean and professional. When you are satisfied with your updates, click Save. Saving applies your changes to the template going forward, so future letters created from this template will reflect the new version. It is a good habit to quickly scan the template one last time before saving, just to confirm that the wording, placeholders, and layout look consistent. And that covers everything you need to know.